How to make money with cryptocurrency. 10 strategies to apply. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency business to make money, but not everyone ends up doing so. Many people simply give up along the way or fall into some sort of trap with the growing cases of crypto scams. Truth be told, there are a handful of methods to make legitimate money with cryptocurrencies other than doing obvious ways of trading. So we decided to explore some of the proven methods to make money with cryptocurrency. We found a few, but rest assured that you will find them very impressive. Without further ado, here are 10 ways to make money with cryptocurrency today. Watch this video until the end because the last method will cover a new way that can be profitable for everyone. 10. Buy and hold. The 10th method is to buy and hold. This is the most common way to make money with cryptocurrencies. Most investors buy coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and wait for their value to rise. Once their market price rises, they sell at a profit. This investment strategy requires identifying more stable and volatile assets that can change in value quickly, resulting in steady profits. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are known to maintain steady price fluctuations. Therefore, they can be considered a safe environment in this regard. However, you are welcome to trade any asset that you think will increase in value. All you have to do is analyze each asset you invest in before committing to it. Also, you don't need to buy the most expensive assets to make a profit. There are thousands of small altcoins that have decent price changes. Consider having a mix of all the coins that have promising future value and are not just popular in exchanges. 9. Staking. The 9th method is to earn dividends in cryptocurrency by doing staking. Did you know that you can buy crypto and hold them for the dividend? Well, many coins will allow you to simply pay and buy and hold your digital asset. The best thing about these coins that pay a dividend to the holders is that you don't even need to bet them, especially in a wallet. This is called staking. Several coins allow for staking. Just like conventional stock, not all of these coins will fit in your portfolio. You'll need to analyze and determine which seems to fit your investment goals. 8. Running cryptocurrency masternodes. But then, what is a crypto masternode? These are complete nodes that motivate operations in individual nodes to perform their role in operating a blockchain. In other words, a masternode is a complete cryptocurrency node or computer wallet that maintains a real-time record of a blockchain's activities. The idea behind masternodes is a bit technical, but below is a simplified explanation. Running crypto masternodes is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income in this space. But how exactly do you make money from this? Well, you should know that many cryptocurrencies pay node operators to maintain a real-time record of their activities on their native blockchains. Since the process is complex and requires maintaining a certain minimum number of coins under their master nodes, crypto platforms prefer to outsource their service to masternode operators for a fee. Several cryptos have masternodes, including Dash and PivX. 7. Crypto heads up. This is another method of making money from cryptocurrencies. It offers double earning potential through price appreciation and dividend payments from coins selected for staking or proof of participation in their digital asset. Staking involves keeping coins in a live wallet, allowing you to earn additional coins to secure this particular crypto network. Examples of coins that can be staked include Navcoin, PivX, Meblio, Decreed, and many others. 6. Day trading. Over 80% of cryptocurrency investors believe that the only efficient, if not the only, way to make money in this space is through day trading. But what most of them don't know is that day trading is not just about holding an asset until it increases in value. It takes a lot to be a day trader, but most importantly, you need to have the right algorithmic and technical skills. You'll need to analyze market charts on the performance of listed assets. This may be the most engaging way to make money from cryptos, but I think one of the most rewarding. You can start day trading on any exchange today. All you have to do is sign up, buy assets, analyze, and you're set. You can also start trading via an automated trading platform. such as Bitcoin Profit, which allows users to decipher signals emitted by trends in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and start making a successful small trader. If you are considering becoming a day trader, consider mastering the art of analysing stocks using technical and fundamental methods. They are widely used to value all traded assets. 5. Help with cryptocurrency microtasks. If you have extra time, you can also do small tasks for individuals or cryptocurrency platforms and get paid for it. The tasks can vary. They can be app testing, ad viewing, surveys, video viewing, etc. You can get micro tasks from sites like Bitcoin, Rewards, Coinbucks, or Bituro. I invite you to visit these sites to learn more. 4. Working for cryptocurrency companies. This is a common way to make money in the industry. Anyone can work for a cryptocurrency company in any capacity. You can be a digital marketer, a content creator, a web designer, among others. All you have to do is identify their needs and show them how your skills can help solve a problem. The best thing about working for crypto platforms is that you are likely to work remotely, which allows you the flexibility of working from your own space. Apart from that, most crypto companies offer very competitive packages, and if you have the opportunity to work with legitimate companies, don't hesitate to take the opportunity. 3. Crypto arbitrage. The cryptocurrency industry is largely unregulated. This has led to a lot of variation in terms of asset valuation, product prices, etc. Most exchanges decide for themselves the price of which their assets are listed, which has prevented the difference in volatility and liquidity of assets. If one does thorough research, one can kill these price variations by buying from cheap sources and selling on overpriced exchanges. That's pretty much what arbitrage is all about. If you get your act together, you can find anywhere from 5% to 30% price differences on various exchanges. Consider listing on different platforms and compare asset prices to find significant variations to capitalize on. 2. Cryptocurrency taps. Crypto taps are not that popular, but a very viable way to generate revenue. Bitcoin taps are the most popular and are essentially a reward system that runs in the form of a website or app that offers rewards to qualified users in the form of Satoshi. A Satoshi is 1/100th of a million BTC, a reward awarded for completing a task such as a captcha or any other that may be required by the application or website. Tasks can also take the form of fun activities such as playing games, watching videos, watching certain advertisements. Each task you complete earns you a small amount of Bitcoin. However, you may need to complete some tasks to be able to earn a tangible income from cryptocurrency taps. 1. Create cryptocurrency content. Over the past decade, content has become one of the most effective ways to communicate a message to your existing or potential customers. If you need to launch a new product or service, content is the best way to do it. The crypto industry in particular relies heavily on content marketing because most projects are virtual. Therefore, it may not be possible to use conventional marketing means to reach the target audience. And that's where the opportunity lies. You can create video content, infographics, and written content for various cryptocurrency brands. So, can you make money with cryptocurrency? Well, there you go. Now you have the answer. You now have 10 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Try the ones that work for you and see their impact. If you have tried any of the above or different methods, please share with us in the comments section. Please also remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is my own opinion and not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the numerous cryptocurrencies available. This is created to help you easily understand the topic with our animated explanation. Earning cryptocurrencies is good, but being able to secure them is even better. For this purpose, we have made a video especially for you, MetaMask Wallet, to show you how to choose a good wallet to secure your cryptos. So we recommend you watch this video next by clicking on the thumbnail.